got a good one for you today. I know a lot of times I do older cars, and you know, for what I do, it's really good for that. But today I'm working on a Tesla. So I got 3 rims that are pretty banged up, and gratefully, thankfully, they are all silver. So we should be able to take care of them, and I'll take you along on the journey. So if you're new to the channel, what I normally do is I take my Dremel and I get all the deep gouges out, and this part of the rim itself was actually scratched really good. The other parts had some surface scratches. I took a sander, rotary sander with a 120 grit, and I smoothed everything else out. Sorry. And now we'll clean it down. We'll get it really clean. There's different ways of doing it. If you want to take chemicals and get it off, some people use lacquer thinner or different chemicals to make sure all the dust is off. You want to do that. I'm not going to bore you with all those details. And then we will mask it off and spray it. So as always, I use a deck of cards. All right, now we're ready for paint. Now before I paint, some people have asked about this. I did not put plastic over the brake caliper nor the center cap, because where I'm going to be spraying is on the edges. I aim my spray paint the right way, and I usually don't have anything to deal with overspray. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know about my secret sauce. There is a link in the description below. So I'm going to spray toward the cards and away from the center of the wheel to keep overspray from getting all on the inside. Okay, so now I am going to use a glossy clear coat, and I will get overspray a little bit on those, but it being clear coat, you're really not going to tell the difference. And I'm really shooting it at a distance to blend. We'll do a couple of coats of this. Because it's in the shade, I'm going to let it dry a little bit longer. Now I know you guys have seen me wearing my black coat and beanie on my head. It is a cooler day. It's about 45 degrees outside. And so what you want to do is you want to keep your paints at room temperature. I use the sun. You can see I keep my paints right out here in the sun. I keep them at room temperature. And like on this side, these two rims, I actually use the sun to help me. All right, so there you have it. This is a 2018 Tesla. Now it looks good as new. We'll put it on the car lot and hopefully they'll sell it soon. Thank you guys. I appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, all the positive comments. I really do appreciate it. Please consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.